Today we go over the ever so popular grain quinoa, so let's get into it. Starting out at number 1, quinoa contains 2 important substances. Overall, the quinoa craze has opened up many people's eyes to how great they are for you. While they are a powerhouse of nutrients, they also contain 2 important plant compounds called quercetin and camphorol. Starting with quercetin, this antioxidant has been studied quite carefully, and according to research, it definitely reduces the levels of inflammation in the body. This in turn helps to protect the body from viruses and infections. Camphorol, on the other hand, has been shown to ward off diabetes and heart disease. Not bad for a tiny grain. Next up at number 2 is quinoa is great for diabetics. When someone is a diabetic, the main thing they need to watch is their blood sugar levels. Foods are ranked on a scale called the glycemic index, which measures how quickly a food will spike your blood sugar levels. Quinoa happens to be on the very low side of the glycemic index, making it a great food for diabetics to add to their diet. At number 3, did you know quinoa is great for pregnant women? We just did a video on this here, so check it out. This comes down to a nutrient in quinoa called folate, also known as vitamin B9. General benefits of folate can reduce the risk of certain cancers and mental illnesses such as depression. Another benefit of folate is it essentially helps with the formation of our DNA. This is why women who are pregnant are recommended to incorporate this into their diet, as studies show that consuming folate can decrease the chances of birth defects for the baby. Hey, if you like our videos, please subscribe and follow us on Instagram at healthyourself_YT, and comment down below saying I subscribed, and we'll make sure to respond as we post short videos every 2 days. Number 4 is usually everyone's favorite, and that's because quinoa can help you to lose weight. First off, quinoa is high in protein and low in calories, which are 2 important traits that foods need to have when you are trying to pick a diet for weight loss. Foods like this, including quinoa, increase your metabolism so you can burn off calories, but also at the same time make sure you stay full. This is aided with high levels of fiber in the quinoa, helping to keep you full as well. If you remember as well, we said that quinoa falls on the low side of the glycemic index, which means it won't cause any massive blood sugar spikes. Big blood sugar spikes are linked to an increase in calories, and you typically want to eat the nearest and fastest thing possible, but it may not be the best thing to consume. Finishing off the video at number 5, quinoa contains a lot of protein, plus the essential amino acids our bodies require. This goes hand in hand with our previous point in helping you to lose weight. Now, there are foods out there that contain high amounts of protein like quinoa. However, what makes quinoa unique is it contains the essential amino acids your body needs, which other plant foods do not have. For this reason, it's referred to as a complete protein because it contains all the 9 essential amino acids. Hey, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you. Give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part, and we'll make sure to respond. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips, nutrition facts, and much more.